So here we go. We're going to be learning how to surf the internet because I don't know, like if you're like me, but whenever I get on the internet, it is I get ADD real bad because I go and I'm looking for one thing, and then the next thing I know, I'm way off over here because that's what the internet does for you because you get so many options. So today we're going to talk about how to search the internet and hopefully find what it is you're looking for. Now, the first thing you need to do is pick the internet browser that you want. You have Mozilla Firefox. I'm going to turn on Zoom it so you can see better. Hang on. Okay. So one option that you have for an internet browser is Mozilla Firefox. I believe y'all have that down on your quick launch bar. You have Internet Explorer, which is this one, and Google Chrome, which is that one. So whichever one you want to use to search the internet is fine.
What's that slide do?
I am going to use Google Chrome. All right, so you pick your search engine. Right now at school, I think that he still has it where you can't use Google or Yahoo at school. I know. So you're going to have to use probably Bing. But at home, you don't have the limitations that you have here at school, so let's talk about it. First of all, what you see here is my personalized Google homepage. I chose everything that you see on here. I chose the quote, the clock, the weather for my area, all of this, like the movies that are showing around here and the times that they're showing today. I chose to have that on my Google homepage. Now, I've had this page for 2 or 3 years. I'm sad to say, though, hang on a second. I'm sad to say that effective November 1st, Google is taking iGoogle away, and I have actually clicked where it says Learn More, and apparently I'm going to be able to get some apps or whatever and decorate up my page again. It'll just be something different. I'm going to learn it come November 1st because I love my iGoogle. Does somebody have a question in the back?
Oh, did you get to pick the sparkly?
Sure. Yeah, I picked it all. All right, so anyway, let's look at Google. Up at the top, this is a tab. Right now I have one tab open, and it is my Google tab. You can have multiple tabs that can go across the top. Right now, as I said, I've only got one open. To get a new tab, all you have to do is click, and then you can go, somewhere else with that one, and you can just keep opening and opening and opening. That's just the name of it, Harley. It's just called iGoogle.
No, but it's usually Google, not iGoogle.
It's my Google. It's called iGoogle because it's my Google.
So we can Google iGoogle? Oh, okay, I got
Google is, it's one of the features that you have. I'll get to it in just a second, okay? So, the tabs along the top, and you just can open as many. I don't know what the number limit is because it'll even plus it out to the end. But you can have multiple tabs open. Then, right here, you can use the back button, which would take you to the previous page. I've not been anywhere, which is why it's gray right now, or the forward button. Refresh, if a page is not loading up correctly, you can click this button right here and it will reload the page. Like say, for example, you didn't get an image or something that you needed, okay? The home button is next to it, and basically you can set the home page for whatever. Mine happens to be iGoogle. And I'll show you in a minute on there how to do that. This is the address bar. When you want to go to a specific place, such as www. Yahoo. Okay, I'll go yahoo.com. That's where you can do that. But you can also use it to search for what it is you're looking for. So say I'm looking for Ferris Bueller, because I just happen to see that on the screen. It actually works as a search bar as well as the address bar. Okay? Then, the next thing, let's move on over. Go back home so it doesn't distract you, hopefully. Over here in Google Chrome, this is where you choose to bookmark. Bookmark is to add something in favorites. So, Google Chrome, it's right here. Internet Explorer, I believe it's a little arrow over on the left over here that you could click to add it to the bar, or you can go add to favorites, which there's an option up on Internet Explorer. You have to look for it. Right now we're just looking at Google Chrome. This is just associated with an app that I have. It's called Evernote. It's free, and I can use the web clipper feature in Evernote. It's not on every computer. It's only if you use Evernote that you can put that on your computer, and it lets you clip things and put them in your notes. This is where you customize Google Chrome. And as you can see, we've got new tab, new window. I mean, there's tons of different choices. Bookmarks, recent tabs that I've had, which I haven't had any that I've closed. You can see all the different choices that you have here. So that's that. Now, we move on down, and you've got your actual, I've turned on my Bookmarks Bar, which I turned it on your computer too, so you can see all the things that I have on my bookmark. I have other bookmarks as well that you could go to that's not on the bar itself. Okay, let me get you to a regular Google, because this is what you're going to see. When you go to Google, you see this, just a white page with the Google written in whatever way they choose to write it that particular day. Within Google, you have a lot of different choices. You have images, you have maps, play. I know, I said that at the beginning. Yeah. You have images, which are pictures, maps, play, YouTube, news, Gmail, Drive, calendar, more. And you go to more, and you've got all of these. You go to even more. All of this is free stuff offered by Google. I believe I showed you Google Drive already. That was where you could create PowerPoint presentations and Word documents and all of that. Did I show that to y'all? Oh, well. Google Drive, if you don't have Microsoft Office on your computer, you can use Google Drive. And it's absolutely free with a Google account. And you just simply go into Google Drive and you go to Create. Say you have to type a history paper. You go to Documents. And there you go. And you can title it History 1 or whatever. And then you've got your font choices, the different colors, and so on and so forth. And I am typing in Swedish about the history of Sweden. That's what I'm saying. I'm typing in Swedish about the history of Sweden. So, I love teaching 8th grade. Okay. You can do whatever, okay? And what's so cool is, did anybody see me save? Did I hit save? No. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to exit out of this. And in my Google Drive, check it out. There's History 1, never had to hit save or anything, and up pops my History of Sweden. Pretty dang cool, right? Then, let me show you another thing that you can do. You can also create a PowerPoint presentation. You're like, Mom, Dad, I want PowerPoint. It looks really cool. Mom, Dad looks at the price of it at Office Depot and goes, no way. So here's where you can create a PowerPoint presentation for free, as long as you have a Google account. Here's all the really cool backgrounds that you have to choose from. I hear someone likes Western, so I'll go with that one. And click OK. And now all I have to do is go in and add my stuff. History of Sweden by a really smart person. I don't know, my name, whatever. And I can add a new slide, I can animate it, I can do all kinds of stuff. And once again, I don't save it. By the way, you can find all that stuff up here. This is not a lesson on how to use Google Drive because sadly it's blocked at school. Even on a good day, Google Drive is blocked at school, but at home it is not. And what's really cool is once you get it made, you could then download it as something, or you can send it, or you can share it. Like I'm going to email it as an attachment to Coach, and now I just simply email it to him, and he's going to get it. And it's free, and your parents are not having to spend $80 on you a PowerPoint presentation program, okay? All right, so that's called Google Drive. There's other things you can do within there too, like drawings and forms and whatever. But you get what it is that I'm talking about here with Google Drive.
What's a spreadsheet?
We'll learn that in a few weeks, but it's a way of keeping, actually a couple months, but keeping up with numbers. Let's go back to the main Google. We'll just go this way. Actually, no, I want to show you back. Watch this. I'm going to right-click on the back button, and it's going to show me all the pages that I've been to. Then all I have to do is pick the one I want to go to, which I want to go to the main Google page. But I thought that might be something that some of you who have surfed the web, you may not be aware of the fact that you can right-click on that button, and it'll take you there. Same thing with the forward button. If you right-click, you can go forward by just picking from the list, or you can just do a regular left-click, right-click. I mean a regular left-click, okay? Y'all with me? Okay, so say you don't feel like typing today. You can search by voice. That's what the little microphone is. As long as you have a mic enabled on your laptop or you have a microphone attached to your computer somehow, some way, you can search by voice, and you just simply click it in Acadia National Park. Boom.
According to Wikipedia,
And I wish I
Acadia
had my
National
speaker
Park
hooked
is a
up.
national
She's
park
talking. She's
located
telling
in
about
the U.S. state of
Acadia
Maine.
National Park.
That's pretty legit.